and applies on.
So next move, I'm not sure which flower you're talking about, but so any of our flower charms should not lose color in the UV light whatsoever. What you come, what you see, what you get. When you cure them, the color will stay. Unless you use the thermal velvety gel, which is not a flower at all. You can mold flower with it. That will change color with temperature and glow in the dark.
And we're doing it no wipe top coat. Floating right on the top, so then that way it will definitely finish when you are finished curing. So there's no tacky layer. Use share. Did you?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna go ahead and use this handcrafted flowers. Look at that. If you're really busy, whether you're doing for yourself or your client, this flower is the it's going to be really handy, that you don't have to worry about doing it too much, and it saves you so much time, from like at least good about like half an hour at least to an hour to like sculpting one of these handcrafted flowers. I'm gonna go ahead and add some of crystal along with the flowers. I'm going to add some of the frame on. And add some beads between the flowers. And you can add the beads on, or you can just leave it like that with no beads. Maybe one more right there. I'm happy with this. We are going to cure this for 60 seconds. Just one more. Okay. Looks so cute.